Days, session after session, we are going to be moving into, and right now we have the special session which we are going to be commencing. Post that, we have the panel discussion. Okay. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated once again. And this is a special session which carries both the legacy and the inspiration. Shri Tulsi Tanti Memorial Lecture. Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Tulsi Tanti, the Windman of India. And as we all know, much before he realized the importance of sustainable development, much before it became a global imperative, recognizing the transformative potential of wind in making India energy self-reliant and casting a more greener future for India. This lecture, this address, ladies and gentlemen, is a tribute to the indomitable spirit of Shri Tulsi Tanti and also to his dream of shaping a self-reliant, energy-secure future for the country. So we first bring in the vision and the mission of Shri Tulsi Tanti with a short film. Can we play the film, please?
Greatest champions, Tulsi Tanti, the wind man of India. The world called him hero of the environment, champion of the earth. In 1995, a time when little was known about wind energy in India, Tulsi Tanti almost single-handedly went about building the wind energy sector ground up across the country. He spoke about how people dissuaded him initially.
I remember whenever we spoke to the different people about our idea of harnessing wind energy, they suggested us to dream within limits. Clearly, we didn't take their suggestions, and today we have transformed the way people look at environment, energy, and power.
Even before the phrase was coined, he believed in Atmanirbharta, or self-reliance. Countries like India that would not just manufacture wind turbines, but also provide end-to-end solutions for customers. From R&D and manufacturing to operations and maintenance, Tulsi Tanti succeeded in putting India on the world renewable energy map, setting up India-made turbines across developed and developing countries. Suzlon became the only player from the developing world to be ranked among the top 5 in the world in this sector. The rise of a wind energy company from a developing country to become a flag bearer for the industry across the world has led to prestigious case studies being written. Tulsi Tanti won many accolades and awards for a stellar role in literally creating winds of change in the energy sector. While being lauded across the world, Tulsi Tanti also reached out to remote Indian villages, changing their lives forever. In nearly 3 decades since Suzlon Energy came into being, renewable energy has impacted the lives of millions in India. One man made it possible. One man who believed that nothing was impossible if you contributed your whole life to it. One man who believed that the long journey, the hard-won battles were all worthwhile if you could create a sustainable future for the generations to come. His legacy lives on in the 20 gigawatt wind installations that generate green energy every day across 17 countries on 6 continents. Tulsi Tanti, the wind man, the face of India's green energy revolution, the inspiration, the mentor, the father of renewable energy in India.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, truly a visionary leader who not only dared to dream big, but also he dared to tread on the path which has not been treaded earlier, and then inspiring others on that path. And ladies and gentlemen, to deliver this lecture, we have an equally transformative leader who has been the curator and who has led many ambitious programs of the Government of India. The Make in India, the Startup India, the Ease of Doing Business, the Incredible India, the Aspirational District Program of the Government of India, the Atal Innovation Mission, the PLI scheme, and also the storage, the battery storage national mission, and then pushing on the infrastructure development, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. All these programs, ambitious programs led by him, ladies and gentlemen, has actually led India on the pathway which is going to be leading us towards Viksit Bharat. The personality in expression, ladies and gentlemen, the former CEO of Niti Aayog and India's G20 Sherpa, Shri Amitabh Kantji. We welcome you, sir, and thanking you, sir, for joining us in this special session. The theme, ladies and gentlemen, which we have for this memorial address is Road to Energy Self-Sufficiency and Net Zero, the strategic role of wind in it. I request you, sir, Shri Amitabh Kantji, for your memorial address on the theme.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Girish Tanti, I'm truly delighted to be here today to deliver the Tulsi Tanti Memorial Lecture. The late Shri Tulsi Bhai was a visionary. He was a pathfinder. He was a man who laid birth to the renewable energy sector, particularly the wind energy sector of India. He taught us to think scale, think quality, and to think globally. Today, that is exactly what India's wind energy sector needs. As I reflect on India's wind energy journey, I see the manifestation of that belief, that determination, that courage which Mr. Tulsi Tanti had. India currently has 53 gigawatt of installed wind capacity and more than 20 gigawatt of projects in various stages of development and construction. The manufacturing base in India is already 20 gigawatt and covers components ranging from complex metallurgical systems to sophisticated power electronics. India not only produces for its own domestic consumption, but also exports components globally. The resource map released by the National Institute of Wind Energy shows how much further we can go. India's onshore potential at a 150-meter hub height is around 1,164 gigawatt. We have tapped less than 5% of this potential, less than just 5% of this potential. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision is crystal clear. 500 gigawatt of non-fossil capacity by 2030 with 100 gigawatt from wind energy. Going further, as part of the Viksit Bharat vision, the target is to install 1,800 gigawatt of non-fossil capacity by 2047 with over 400 gigawatt coming from wind energy. So imagine this, about 400 gigawatt from wind energy coming by 2047. This will mean that the industry must add around minimum of 15 gigawatt of wind capacity per year. India needs large amounts of renewable capacity to make our existing industries competitive and future ready. We also need to attract new industries such as green hydrogen, data centers, and export-oriented manufacturing units. These industries are energy intensive and will require clean power 24/7 at lower costs as compared to fossil power. The government has proposed an amendment to the Electricity Act to do away with cross subsidy charges for railways, metros, and manufacturing enterprises. This move will allow industries to adopt cost-reflective tariffs and tap into round-the-clock, low-cost renewable energy directly. I believe that this will change the structure of the market and mark just the beginning of the sector's transformation. As we unlock new possibilities on land, we must also look seaward. India's 7,600-kilometer coastline is a massive energy asset. We have already identified around 62 gigawatt of offshore wind potential in Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. The first set of commercial projects backed by tariff support and viability gap funding can help build a strong domestic offshore wind industry. And this is critical, building a strong domestic offshore wind industry. But we must be clear, there are still gaps in demand, gaps in ports, vessels, and skilled manpower. These need focused government attention, and once we address them, we won't just meet domestic needs, we will create export-ready capabilities for the entire Indo-Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, to my mind, to turn the ambition of Mr. Tulsi Tanti into ambitious assets, we must focus on certain priorities. Firstly, we have to execute the 10 gigawatt per year renewable energy pipeline on time and without any delays. Signing of power sale agreements must be automatic and time-bound so that we can systematically replace aging thermal capacity. A simple, transparent quarterly dashboard can bring accountability. The proposed amendment to the Electricity Act, eliminating cross-subsidy charges for industry, will be a game changer, allowing the commercial and industrial sector to directly procure renewable energy. But we must also ensure that smaller firms without easy access to credit can benefit equally from low-cost renewables. Second, we need to build the grid ahead of the curve, especially in our windy states. And building the grid ahead of the curve is critical. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Rajasthan all must be ring-fenced for around 400 gigawatt of evacuation capacity designed with wind-fast connectivity in mind. This is critical, and I'll repeat this, that these critical states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Rajasthan, should be ring-fenced for around 400 gigawatt of evacuation capacity designed with wind-first connectivity in mind. Wherever possible, we should promote hybridization of solar and wind to make the most efficient use of our network. Thirdly, ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very critical that we focus on localization. We must run end-to-end and with quality at its core. Our manufacturers need the right incentives, R&D support, and infrastructure to overcome scale disadvantages. Fourthly, the National Clean Manufacturing Mission announced in the budget must be executed with exports as its central goal. Our policy should make it easy, not difficult, for clean energy investments to take root in India. And fifth, we have to make offshore wind a reality. That means prioritizing port upgrades, creating a domestic vessel strategy, and setting up skill academies along the Tamil Nadu and Gujarat coast. If we do these 5 things with focus and consistency, we will not only transform India's energy landscape, we'll build industries, jobs, and export strength for decades and decades to come. In many ways, this is exactly what Shri Tulsi Bhai envisioned. An India that doesn't just meet its energy needs, but leads the world in clean energy innovation and manufacturing. If we stay the course, with clarity and commitment, India's wind energy sector can truly become the engine of our green industrial revolution and a cornerstone of Viksit Bharat by 2047. The vision of the Prime Minister is that India must be a fully developed country by 2047. This can be fulfilled only with the growth, expansion, and increasingly indigenization and Atmanirbharta of our India's wind sector, which will then drive India's growth and prosperity and jobs in the years to come. And that will be fulfilling the dream and vision of Shri Tulsi Bhai. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a real pleasure and a delight for me to be a part of this great conference. Thank you very much.
Very much, Shri Amitabh Kantji, for this very inspiring address and on highlighting the key enablers which will help us in adding more speed and scale to our RE mission and further realizing the dream, the vision of Shri Tulsi Tanti ji, making India globally competitive and achieving export excellence and further the clean innovation journey and manufacturing excellence which we are focusing on. Thank you to Shri Amitabh Kantji.